All right, we are in the shop here at Woodward. Sabrina is here, and we're gonna be putting some new parts on her bike. Today is 7/20, July 20th, so technically it is BMX day. So we're gonna throw some new profile parts on her bike, because they are the best and her cranks suck. And we're gonna throw some new stuff on there, and then, yeah, go ride for a little bit. All right, got you some new parts on your bike. Got some new cranks. New chain ring on there. It's a 28 instead of 25 she was running. And, oh yeah, I had to get a new bottom bracket for it and everything. But yeah, that's about it. Kind of lightened it up a little bit. These are the old cranks that she was running. It's like just like a 3-piece, 8-spline Sunday crank, so nothing too special there. All right, so we finished up Sabrina's bike. I know it's looking good, it's looking neat. Sabrina's getting her pads on, and yeah, we just pulled up into Lot 8, but you can't really see over there. Olympic gold medalist Charlotte Worthington is also in the house, special guest. That's pretty cool as well, so I don't know, maybe we'll film a couple clips, and I think I got something special planned later. I think we're gonna do a train of 720s at 7:20 p.m. on BMX Day, which is July 20th, 7:20. So a lot of 720s in there, but yeah, should be good. Yeah, Jamie Bestwick, king of BMX, doesn't even know it's BMX Day. 720 tack to fakie on 720. Not at 7:20 p.m.
720, bro. $720, bro.
Yeah. Oh, here we go. There it is. That was a good one. Nice. All right. Big manual line. There it is. Oh, dude, he's gonna just do this. He just did that to me. In your face! I can't believe he just did that to me like that. All right. You know what? All right, I'm just gonna up it. I'm gonna go with the switch bar. I'm gonna do the opposite bar. Yeah, Brax. We got one shot. 720 on 720 at 720. Sabrina, film.
better have done it. Let's go. Yeah, you too. We did it though. We got it.
Like 25% of the training.
Yeah, 25%. It's not bad.
What?
But it's not good either.
Dude,
All right, we just came out to the Rock. They're having the Rock Jam after we did the 720 train at 720 on 720, as Chase Paz has told everyone by now. But we're at the Rock, and we're gonna jam out for a little bit, so enjoy. Finished up the session at the Rock. We have now moved to the cage, kind of riding all the outdoor stuff, not so much indoor stuff today, which is pretty cool. I don't usually get to ride the outdoor stuff because normally it's like super hot, but it's BMX day and we are gonna ride some BMX.
I tried to push through it, there was nothing.
Now you're good. Nope.
Yeah. No. Why'd you say no? Dude, I saw him drop it. I was like, is that it? Oh my god, dude.
I remember Jay hit the gap from the deep end into the volcano on his e-bike. It was like 29 on his bike. Wow. He's got the aftermarket. He's got the push stem on that thing.
Whoa.
And he's out.
Have you ridden that yet?
No. There are no brakes.